Hi everyone, welcome to Trail. In this video, we will share with you 3 easy one-day treks we did in Maharashtra so that you guys can plan it during your weekends and vacation. Going for a trek is always one hell of an experience. It is indeed a break from your hectic weekdays. There are over 400 trekking spots in Maharashtra to enjoy yourself in your vacation time. Before doing any trek, make sure you have a good trekking shoe. In addition, carry enough food and water. First trek we are going to show is One Tree Hill. Trek to One Tree Hill is an easy one. Best time to visit here is during monsoon season. This point got its name as it has only one tree growing on the top of hill. One Tree Hill Point is located in Matheran. Matheran is one of the smallest hill station in India. It is located at an elevation of 2625 feet above sea level. The base village for this trek is Ambewadi, which is 30 minutes from Karjat railway station. People in Ambewadi village is very helpful. They will guide you accurately to the top of One Tree Hill. If you require lunch, then you will have to tell the locals so that they will prepare it by the time you reach back. The lunch these people prepare is very delicious. One Tree Hill can also be reached from Matheran side. But that cannot be counted as a trek because you can reach Matheran area by road from Nizar station. So make sure you start from the correct base village if you wish to do this as a trek. Once you reach halfway, you will find a tea stall. You can enjoy hot tea and then continue climbing. That is well refreshing. Trail is accompanied by beautiful waterfalls. Climbing across these waterfalls is an awesome experience. We enjoyed it to the fullest. Please be careful while climbing the wet rocks during monsoon. This trek can be completed in a day. The total time to reach the top of One Tree Hill Point is around 3 to 4 hours. So friends, that's it about One Tree Hill. Add this to your weekend plans and let us know your experience in comments. Next we have on our list is trek to Devkund Waterfalls. Devkund Waterfall is located deep inside the forest surrounding Bhira Dam. Trek to Devkund Waterfalls will take around 2 to 3 hours. This is located at an altitude of 2000 feet. It is a confluence of 3 waterfalls and is said to be the origin of Kundalika river. The base village is Bhira and this is where the trail begins. There is a hydroelectric power generation unit by Tata Power at Bhira. The climb is not so much steep except last few patches. As most of the trail is through dense forest, hence little care needs to be taken while maneuvering through the branches. Crossing lots of streams during this trek is a wonderful experience. There is a bridge made by locals using wood to cross a downstream onto this waterfall. Locals have provided zones for swimming in the pond. Please follow the same to avoid any accidents. During weekends, please do expect a lot of crowd as it is a very popular spot. Best time to visit this place is post-monsoon. Third and last in our list is Takmak Fort. The Takmak Fort is one of the hidden, unexplored gems of Sahyadris. Takmak Fort is situated in Vasai, Thane district. Grade of difficulty of this trek is easy to medium. It is located at an altitude of 2000 feet. Built in 12th century, Takmak Fort has a rich history which had seen over 400 years of fight to gain its control between foreigners and Marathas. Base village from where we should start the trek is Sakawar. You can reach Sakawar by your own vehicle or by public transport. If you intend to use public transport, ensure to check the timings of buses as there are limited number of options. This village is really charming during monsoon. This trek is a mix of walks through beautiful village Sakawar, adventurous trekking through forest, and a thrilling ridge walk to see the beautiful Sahyadris. Unlike the other two treks, there are no tea stalls here, so please make sure to carry enough water and food. Total time required to reach the top point is 3 to 4 hours. Best time to visit this place is during monsoon. Hope you liked all these tracks. Happy trekking! Thanks for watching.